Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to thank the new subscribers for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys so much. For those that are new to my channel, I want to appreciate you guys. And for my returning subscribers, those who don't fail to come back and keep watching my videos, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing. So guys, based on the topic of this or the title of this video, I said warning. I know so many things would have been driving into your mind right now. What is going on? Warning to all Poppo users. What's going on? What's happening? Why the warning? Actually, I have good news, and also at the other time I'm going to be giving you guys some advice for those using Poppo live stream app. So I'm going to be starting with the good news. Yeah, guys, from 29th, which is tomorrow, till 1st of first of January, there's going to be a discount sales on coin buying. Do you understand what I mean? Those who have been buying coins from my end, those who have been buying coins here and there, there's going to be a discount sales for those who have been purchasing from us, or even if you're new buyers, it's going to be very low discount rate from any other lower than any other person that has been selling to you on the popular stream, lower than any other resellers list on Poppo live stream. That's just a way of appreciating you guys, just like an end of the year sales for every one of you that are on Poppo. So that's just it. So I'll be bringing out the list tomorrow Wednesday of showing you guys the discounted price. You yourself will be surprised that wow, can coins be as sold as low as this. So guys, just get ready to purchase. I'll be dropping my group link in the description, so all you just need to go and do is to join the group. So when I'll be putting the list, I'll be putting it in the group, so you guys can come and purchase coin for your end of the year or new year's or new year party. So that's just it. So the second thing I want to tell you guys is that I want to plead with you all using Poppo. Every one of you using Poppo Livestream, I want to plead with you. If you don't know about what I'm talking about, Poppo Livestream app is an app that pays its users to go live, to do fun things on the app so they can earn money, real money. Yes guys, and you can withdraw it directly to your bank account. So I want to give you an advice on a particular thing. If you want to make exchanges on the app, guys, it is advised that you don't just do exchanges with strangers, if you know what I mean, because there is a new method now that people are doing on popular stream app. They are using that exchange as a means of frauding people, if you understand what I mean. If you want to do exchange with somebody that you don't know now, and you're like, I need to do 200,000 exchange, and the person like, okay, I'm in, send it, instead of the person sending it first. Even nobody wants to trust each other. So if the person sends, or if you send it to the person will not return it to you. The person will just give flips excuses. Network is not did not allow me to see the coin. Then what you call, you didn't send it, it's not reflecting, I didn't see it, so I cannot send it back. Guys, the person saw it, but the person doesn't want to return it back. Either the person doesn't even have the coin, or the person wanted to do was just take your money. That's just it. So guys, I want you guys to be beware of this. If you want to make exchanges on the Poppo live stream app, make exchanges with those you are familiar with. Do you get me? Those you are familiar with, those you know, those you have made exchanges with, and you know that they will return it back to you. Not that you just say exchange and the person like, I need to do an exchange, and you just go ahead and make exchanges with the person, transferring your coin to the person, and the person will not return it back. It will be a great loss for you, especially those who are doing exchanges of 1 million, 2 million on the app. So that's just what made me make this video to you guys, just to warn you guys and advise you that if you want to make exchanges, do not make exchanges with strangers. Make exchanges with those you're familiar with, those you know that they will give it to you back. You get, so you not to avoid all this I lost my coin, or this person didn't give me back, I will report to people, because most time people don't really have how like they cannot attend to that matter, because it's between you and the other host. They don't have any way to like address that matter for you guys. So that's just it, for you to avoid great loss. So I just like to advise you guys on this. And yes guys, there is a new app that's just like Poppo that pays you, but I don't want to introduce the app now because I just recently joined the app and I've just seen how the thing is. You get, I think you earn on this app too, yeah. But the thing is that there'll be different method of withdrawing, just like Poppo. It will not be the same as Poppo. I just want to know more about the app first before I introduce you to anyone on that app, so you guys will not get confused. And let me see if I can able to make my first withdrawal and give you guys proof, so you guys will not be left confused. So with that being said, I guess and I know that you've gotten something tangible from this video. So guys, do not fail to smash the like button if you know you've been getting something from these videos. I'm taking my time to make videos for you, so you guys, and if you have any questions, guys, drop that question in the link in the comment section. I'm ready to answer that and make a video for you if you want. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification, because if you turn it on, you'll be the first to get information, or you'll be the first to be notified whenever I post new videos on this YouTube app. So guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. One love.